Hello everyone, my name is Reyansh. I am from Bihar. I completed my BTech in Computer Science from Galgotias University in 2023. Like many freshers, I was confused and worried about my future. I had a theoretical knowledge, but no real-time experience or confidence to face interviews. That's when I found Evision TechnoServe, and honestly, it changed my life. Like from the very beginning, Evision impressed me with their professionalism, clear guidance, and honest approach. Their training is 100% practical and industry oriented. I learned key skills in networking, Windows Server, Linux Cloud basics, and all in a very simple and easy to understand way. What I appreciate the most was the personal support. The trainers are experienced, friendly, and always ready to help clear doubts. The mock interview, resume building sessions, and communication training gave me a real confidence to face the job market. Because of Evision's training and placement support, I got the placement at TELEPERFORMANCE, Gurgaon, and with a good package. And all this happened in a short time. To all freshers watching this, if you are serious about starting your career, don't waste time searching aimlessly. Uh, Trust Evision's TechnoServe. Their training, placement support, and commitment are genuinely true. Thank you so much, Evision team, for helping me to turn my career dream into job reality. I will always be grateful and proud to be part of Evision family. Thank you.